Good morning! Welcome to another episode of Food with Rage. In today's video, we are going to cook garlic kangkong with oyster sauce. So, let's go ahead and start. The kangkong with crispy garlic, and our food is now ready to be served. And that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have comments or suggestions, please comment down below. Also follow me on social media, links are in the description. And if you are new into my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to get notified for any food related videos. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye!